Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to freeze column or row on Google Sheet mobile. So I will open my Google Sheet and how to freeze the row or column. Where's here my Google Sheet, and then I will open randomly sheet. This is this one, and then how to freeze the for example, to freeze the header one here. You just click the one over here to choose the row, and then press and hold on the blocking area, and then click this triple dot. Okay, wait, and then here you can see there is an option of freeze, and then now my header is already freeze. Now what about freeze the column? Actually the method is the similar or the same way. You just press and hold and then click the freeze, and then now I have my Google Sheet is freeze on the first row and the first column. And how to unfreeze? You just press and hold and then click again, and then there is an unfreeze option. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.